Harmonics in electrical systems. How harmonics in electrical systems are generated, how to deal with them, and troubleshoot problems caused by harmonics. What is this course about? This course explains how harmonics are created in an electrical system and lists the type of loads that cause harmonics. Information is presented in a simple, concise manner without complicated mathematics. Simple methods for measuring harmonic content, identifying and isolating harmonic causing loads are covered. Harmonic mitigation techniques are also covered. Who should take this course? Maintenance and troubleshooting electricians, facility managers and owners, electrical technicians and technologists working with power systems, and electrical system integrators and techs working in the alternative energy field. What is covered in this course? Linear and nonlinear loads are explained. Dirty power and harmonics are covered. The importance of auditing loads is stressed to troubleshoot systems. Current and voltage harmonics are explained and demonstrated using measuring instruments. Total harmonic distortion and subcomponents are explained. Current waveform distortion and the relationship between voltage distortion is explained. Positive, negative, and zero sequence harmonics explained. The effect of harmonics on transformers and electric motors is covered. Triplet harmonics are explained along with the hazards that they pose on electrical distribution systems. Harmonic analyzers, industrial scope meters, and handheld instruments are covered. K-factor transformers, reactors, passive and active harmonic filters are also covered. To-the-point presentation with no complicated math. This course is designed to help techs get up to speed quickly and start identifying and solving problems caused by harmonics. If you work in the electrical field, this short course should be added to your knowledge toolkit. Thanks for watching.